Welcome to another episode of Box TV. Today's episode, one of my Facebook friends sent in a thing and she say she want to box up her ex-man because something wrong with him. She said one night she there over her house and him come over and she left her phone on the bed and she go bed. When she come back, she realized she stand up at the door and look through the door and see him go through her phone and she did there watch him for the longest. When she realized it's like him start press her now about the cocky picture them where some next man send her. So now she said she did have about 9 and the nigga say him see all 9. Now nigga, if you gonna approach a girl about some things like that, approach her about it. You know? Don't box her though. Wait. But she said you forget a bag of box because at the whole 9 picture them you look pan. Kinda agree with that, dog. From you see the first picture, it only take 1 second, put down the phone and go deal with her. But you look pan 9 picture, same picture, cocky picture. That not right. Dog, come here. Hold your face. Box! Don't move your face. Box! Where do I look for 9 cocky picture? The same picture. That too long. You forget a bag of box. Box, 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 box. Fucking idiot.